Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to come through for you today, Cancer. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Cancer. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, Cancer. The Magician, the Judgment card, Two of Swords, Three of Wands, the Chariot, the Hierophant, Ten of Wands, Page of Cups, and the Hermit in reverse. Bottom of my deck, I have the Page of Wands. Somebody does want to message. They do want to come forward with some communication. But I think this person is very blocked. Either there's distance between the two of you, or they're feeling blocked by either you blocked them or vice versa, or there is some kind of something which is stopping them. Maybe they are feeling judged, or they feel they won't get another second chance here, but they are manifesting big time. I'll see what they're manifesting, but there's somebody who's trying to manifest something, not being able to make that decision yet as to how to return. Maybe in the past they didn't commit and they got dropped. I don't know. Let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Cancer, then we'll clarify the rest of the cards, okay? Cancer and their person, Spirit. Cancer and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Cancer and their person, thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person. Okay. And I'll take a couple more from here, Cancer. And any of you looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. You talk with me about our future, about building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. It pisses me off as to how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. Like I said, there is difficulty in coming together with the Chariot card in reverse, center of my spread. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. Letting you walk away from me is my biggest regret. I should have fought for you and for us. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life loving you. I've never felt such an intense connection. I'm afraid of losing you. All right, Cancer, these were some of your messages. Let's see what's happening here. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first, and then we'll start the reading. So my angels, what do you have for Cancer? Blessing, guidance, advice, vision. Yeah, somebody is dreaming of the future. Somebody definitely wants to come out of this hermit mode, and they envision, they are fantasizing, they are dreaming of this future, but something is stopping them at the moment. As much as I see, the overall energy is also the Page of Wands, right? This is like somebody really wanting to start something new or send a message or begin things again after some imbalance has happened in this connection. So, Spirit, why is there a Magician as my first card? Who's this and what are they manifesting? One more. One more. See, in the past, maybe whoever this person is, they were sitting in their Nine of Cups energy, Cancer. They were pretty happy with their life. Maybe they didn't want to maybe be in a relationship. They didn't believe in marriage or long-term commitment. And they wanted to stay free and not be committed. Maybe their person has now blocked them. Maybe you blocked this person, I don't know. But they do, right? Now they're sad because they feel they've lost a love of a lifetime. They are very, very worried that this connection is now gone. They've lost this Two of Cups. Now I think they are manifesting what they didn't give in the past. Now maybe they are thinking seriously of commitment or long-term marriage or something like that, but they feel they won't be given a second chance now, or their partner is now judging them harshly. Maybe there's gossip, there is whatever. Somebody made some immature decisions in the past, but now they do want to show up. They do want to show up as an emperor, and they do want to do the right thing. They are manifesting themselves back to be that person that they should have been maybe in the past, where maybe in the past they were never allowing this connection to progress, always keeping themselves stuck, not deciding. Maybe they had a blindfold on, they didn't want to recognize the soulmate connection for the importance it held. But now they do want to bring back justice and balance into this connection. Why? Because now they are fearing that they've lost it. It's like you don't know what you have till you've lost it, right? Now somebody is very worried that they've lost their love of their life, they lost their future, their future vision of a happily ever after. They feel their person has now turned their back on them, but they do want to return big time. They want to return, they want to now offer something stable, something solid, but there is the Chariot in reverse here. Spirit, why is that? Because they fear they'll be rejected. They fear that all these games that I played, I showed myself as a liar, cheater, or sneaked away from the connection. That's how I'm going to be judged now. Even if I do return now, my partner is going to immediately reject me. That's stopping them right now. So Hierophant in reverse. Yes, because they, I think, refused commitment in the past. This could have come out in the open, they could have said it, and that created the soulmate connection to go wrong, right? Some bad memories were created here after they spoke their truth, but that truth was their truth in the past. Now this person has changed, and they do want the past to dictate the future. They want this past baggage to be dropped now, so that you guys can begin again, but that fear of rejection is there. Ten of Wands in reverse. Yes, they don't have the courage. They don't have the courage to face their person anymore. How do I end that last chapter, start a brand new one? They don't know how to offer that apology which can put barriers down. They feel so much of time has gone by, stagnation has happened. They don't know now. They feel now they've been in hermit mode for some time. Maybe this person has also been going through a spiritual awakening or something, where they've realized their bad behavior, of how rude they were, or how maybe they lied, or they were just unemotional, they were not loving, caring, and how much blocked they were, how much their heart chakra was totally blocked. throat, heart, everything was blocked here from what I feel. Even the eyes were closed to this connection. But this person is recognizing their own faults now. They do want to come out of this hermit mode now. Hermit in reverse, yes, because they've recognized their person to be the most loving person in the whole wide world, and all they want to do is rush in. I think your last reading was called Slow Coach, but getting there, right? But I think this person has woken up suddenly. From being in hermit mode, that's why they were slow, right? Now they want to be out of this hermit mode. They want to quickly rush towards their person who they feel has their back turned towards them, who may not be ready to accept them, but maybe they'll come in with a little message or something. Yes, all they want to say is, hey, listen, I know what I did, but let's put that to an end and let's start again. So Page of Wands, Spirit, will they actually send this message now? Yes, they do want to. They do. What's the Spirit saying? Spirit is saying they do want to send a message. They are taking their time even now, because the only reason they're going a bit slow is because they're going back and forth in their mind as to how to say, what to say, because heart of hearts, they've kind of lost hope that they will be forgiven. Okay, so don't worry about it. The other person, the Queen of Cups, don't have to help them here. This is their journey. They have to learn to do it right. After that, if you're still waiting, great. If not, then maybe that's another lesson for them. But this person is struggling big time. They're struggling big time as to how to heal the situation between the two of you. And give them time. This is their journey. This is their journey. That's all I have for you. Cancer, till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.